Stop. And my sister's back in class.
We're at Emporium.
Yeah, it's very hot outside.
Why do you look so bad?
I'm crying. Oh my god, I love it. You realize that?
Try late boba.
Hi everyone. I just ended off my previous vlog, but it is 1 p.m. I woke up at like 11 and now I was finished studying for like an hour. And now I have to go get ready because my sister's coming back from class and she's gonna take me for lunch. So yeah, I'm going for a shower now. Why did the flash turn on? Let's go pick an outfit. Okay, I don't know what the hell to wear because I haven't even unpacked yet. But yeah, and I made a reel about packing and it was so organized until I opened my bag and just dumped everything everywhere. I'm really deciding what to wear because I'm so confused. I kind of want to wear my new brown top, but then I also don't want to make a get ready with me with that top, and I don't have time right now because she's coming in like 15 minutes. There are like so many cool items that I can use. I'm sorry. I like this angle. Hashtag get ready with me. I need to stop. Also, I have been coughing so much since yesterday and I don't know why. And I really hope I'm not falling sick because I cannot be sick. It's only my second day here. Okay, I need to hurry up. She's coming in like 10 minutes. Okay, so I decided to wear the brown top and I'm wearing it with some black cargos. And I've done my makeup. But I feel like it looks really empty over here, so I think I'm gonna put a necklace on. And my sister's back from class. So we're gonna leave. And I'm not ready.
Bro, I'm starving. Dude.
Okay, bye. We're leaving. We have to walk there.
She likes
walking.
Like, if you walk fast, like,
10 minutes, let's see.
it's so hot.
Yeah, it's very hot outside.
So mine's asking for your data.
Oh yeah, I don't have data, guys. So I'm stuck with her. And she won't even give me hotspot. We keep seeing Porsches everywhere and I want one.
Why didn't you record it?
I'm pretty sure we'll see another one.
Am I supposed to be vlogging while crossing the road?
No. It's not Mumbai, I don't care. We're here, we're back here again for lunch. With a really cool octopus thingy.
Even their curly fries are so good.
I really want to try it.
Next time we'll come here.
Yeah. This place is so cool.
Finally stop.
There's like so much to choose from. I don't know what to eat. She's telling me that she eats sushi now.
Yeah, I like seafood now.
What are we eating today?
Cow soy.
Cow soy.
It's like Thai noodles.
I love cow soy. It's so yummy. Which one can we have? Which one do you want? Yeah. We got our food. She's gonna teach me how to use the chopsticks.
You just said you know how to use chopsticks.
I kind of do. Taste test. Take 3.
Stop it.
Just eat it, bro.
I'll taste test you. I'll record you.
No, eat it. I'm crying. Just eat it, bro. It's not a big deal. Just eat it. Come on, you got this. You got this. Oh my god. That is so scary. Are you crazy? It's so far.
Can they see it?
Yeah. Oh my god, it's moving.
Like it's camera shy.
Oysters. Why do you want me to touch it? Ew.
It's staring into the camera.
Hi. Oysters.
Do oysters like?
I don't know. I don't think so. Guys, do oysters move? We got boba.
Chai boba.
Chai boba.
That shirt is so cute.
The store is so cute. Oh my god, I love that. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
I want that shirt.
Look at how cute this bag is. Oh my god.
Do the stores open upstairs?
I don't think so, but that looks so cool.
Like a cute.
Oh my god, I love this store so much. It's literally written Daddy Motel. I love this. It's so my vibe. And look at the clothes. Oh my god. Bro. So coquette. Yo. That's us. I don't know.
Dude, only in your camera we're blinking. In real life we're not blinking.
Yo, that's kind of cool.
Dude, that's weird. That's weird.
Let's go close to it. Wait, why am I that side? I'm this side.
Exactly.
What's happening? I spotted
It looks like Bill
a teddy bear over there. From this far. I don't care. I want the teddy bear. I want the teddy bear. It's so cute. Oh my god, I'm gonna scream. Oh my god, 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 oh my god. Dude, I need like so many pictures in this place, please. The amount of cute things here.
See, they have Sesame Street. If anyone were that is Disney. Easter Bunny cameras. No Hello Kitty.
So what if they don't know Hello Kitty? It's cute. I need that car. That's my car. My future car. Bro, I love this floor. It's all just cars. Bro. Oh my god. Wait, bro, this car, it's so pretty. Look at it. Bro. Whoa, I like that color. No way. That is so cool. Yo. I love this place. What is this place? We just like went up and we're at like some sacred place. And please tell me why there's a parking lot up the mall. What? Whoa.
It's like a beach.
Let's go. Are we allowed? Where are we going now? Okay, so we crossed from the BTS. So we were at one mall, and apparently from the BTS you can go to another mall. Two other malls, which is the same owner as this mall.
EMSPHERE, Emporium.
That's really cool. We're at Emporium. Why do you look so bad?
Because look at the sun.
It's very hot in Bangkok right now. We're looking for where to go. And I literally forgot I brought my mic. Where are we going? We're at Dior. I want to go to Dior. But it's the men's one. Where's the women's one? And we're going to Diesel. It's so cute. We are on the way home now. I stopped at Boots to get some essentials, but now we're walking home. It's the end of the day, guys. We didn't do much. We just had dinner and then we studied again. But I'm going to sleep now. I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!